Hello beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to put you onto this ice cream bun. It screams elegance, it screams simple, but at the same time extra. Now our client came in, her hair is really long, however she didn't know how to walk around it and to spice it up. And since the hair was freshly washed, all we had to do was just comb through it, make sure we detangle it really nice, and then we sectioned it into two halves. That way we can be able to apply some eco gel and blend it into her hair section by section and make sure that their hair can be held together nice and neat. So after applying some eco gel, we went ahead to use a bristle brush just to brush through the hair and make sure that we detangle any section and then get every strand to lay down nice and straight. And after this, we just started to hold the hair into a ponytail. Now you can use a thread, or you can also proceed to just use a scrunchie and hold your hair together as tight as possible. So after that, we're going to go ahead and work the front of the hair. As you can see, we're applying some more eco gel and we're going to blend it into the hair really nice, and then we're just going to go ahead and use a detangling brush because the front section of the hair was really thick, so it needed to be detangled really well before we go ahead and use the bristle brush just to make sure everything lays down nice and flat. So once you've made sure that the hair is really nice and flat and organized, then you can go ahead and hold it all together with the rest of the hair. You have to really be gentle and smooth with it just to make sure that it's really nice and tight, but at the same time you don't want to hurt yourself or to even hurt the hair of the client, because a very tight puff or ponytail is going to actually break your hair at the front and you don't want to lose that hairline or your edges. So our client's hair is really thick, so we just wanted to make sure we can use a method that can hold the hair really nice and tight and organized, and that's why we used a thread. And as you can see, we tried out this hairstyle originally with her hair just to see how it would turn out, because the hair is long and thick enough. However, it didn't come out exactly as we would have wanted. It was pretty, but it was not giving that nice va-va-voom effect that we were looking for. However, if you're trying this on your own hair, it's really simple to do. Just section your hair into two and then twist your hair until you make it really nice and tight, and make sure you twist it into the direction that goes around the ponytail. So this is what it basically looks like. However, for a more dramatic effect, we went ahead and used some synthetic hair. All you have to do is attach it with either a rubber band or even a scrunchie and attach it to the ponytail at the back of the hair. Fasten it really nicely and then proceed to section the hair. So we're doing something similar to what we did with her own hair. We're sectioning the hair into two, making sure that we have equal parts of hair and equal parts of the synthetic hair. And as you can see, we joined the synthetic hair and her own hair, and then we started to twist while making circles around her ponytail. So as you can see, the very first base of the circle, it came out quite simple, but then you can clearly see that there is more work that needs to be done because you can still see the scrunchie. So I'm going to show you how to cover that up. But in the meantime, you just have to continue keep on twisting the hair until it's really nice and tight, then make it circle around the ponytail, and it's really coming together. It's looking beautiful already. However, we are going to continue until we don't have any more hair left. So once you reach the end of the hair is usually quite thin and it can easily tuck its own self away at the base of the ponytail. So you might not really have to worry about it opening or unraveling by its own self. However, if you're not feeling quite safe, then once you finish up, just make sure you put a black bobby pin and it can be able to tuck your hair nice and easy. So we are going to go ahead and work the second section of the hair. As you can see, I'm still twisting and I'm using the hair to guide me on which direction to go, making sure that I cover up the scrunchie that was at the hair, and then continuing to make circles around the ponytail so that I can be able to have, a swoop like how ice cream looks like, ice cream on a cone. So I'm just going to go ahead and make this go around in circles, making sure that I'm covering up any areas that may not look as even, and also making sure that I get all the ends and tuck them in really nice and well, so that the hair comes out looking really elegant and beautiful. Now you might ask yourself, where can I wear this style? This is a style you can wear for a wedding, for a party. You can even just have this as your everyday go-to if you just don't feel like having hair that keeps on touching your neck. Some people have really long hair and you feel like maybe you get too hot while having it. This would be the perfect hairstyle that gives you a little bit of style, but at the same time making sure that you don't get uncomfortable and you don't get too hot. So this is how our final hairstyle looks like. It's very beautiful, elegant, and I hope you will try it out, and leave a comment in the comment section below and let us know how you found this experience. Make sure that you like this video because it also helps us in the algorithm in sharing our content to more and more people. I would love to grow our family even more. So thank you guys for watching. Until the next video, bye.